Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm crunching on a yummy treat. It is bright and crisp, not bitter, it's sweet. It comes in orange and red, it's more than one hue. I'll eat a lot of this, just not a few. Don't care about what happened to eclair, as long as there's green on the cozy toy chair. The apple is the star of my day. The sweets and junk shall rot away.
Run away.
Mom said, eat very good, and veggies are better than the chocolate pud. Fresh fruits is all I dream. Who needs those treats when I got the green beans? Don't care about what happened to eclair, as long as there's greens on the cozy toy chair. The apple is the star of my day. The sweets and junk shall rot away.
Run away. Yeah. Sweets and junk shall rot away. Yeah.
Cabbage is tricky, but got the fame. Sprouts are bitter, but they won the game. But sugar, yeah, sugar, you fill me with glee. But I know that you won't do any good for me. Don't care about what happened to eclair, as long as there's greens on that cozy toy chair. The apple is the star of my day. Sweets and junk shall rot away. Oh, donut,
You're just a cool trend.
but I'll find fruits and veggies just around the busy bend. You are unique, donut, you are very round, but I found my choices, that is sound.
Yeah.
Oh, veggies, you're my best friend. I do not want our journey to end.